Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on Edit Contact and pick this camera icon right in the middle. As you can see here, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera up. So this is actually the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Right now all we have to do is to find the photo we've got saved and tap on it, and as you can see right now you can change the position and the position of the photo, the size of the square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. We can always zoom in or zoom out the photo. It's up to you how you want to set it, just position it like you want to. And if you're happy with your choice, actually you've got the switcher here and you can rotate the picture if you want to. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on Save Copy. As you can see, it will appear right here, so remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how the contact looks like. After getting back, you will be also able to see this photo on the contact list and whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.